Ever wondered why some people seem to make a fortune from real estate while others struggle to break even? This golden question has intrigued minds for decades. As we delve into the realm of real estate investment, we'll uncover the potential for staggering returns, the inherent risks, and the strategies that can turn the tides in your favor. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a rookie looking to dip your toes in the property pool, there's a wealth of knowledge to be discovered. Let's explore the secrets of successful real estate investing. Real estate investment isn't a game of luck. It's about understanding the fundamentals. Let's take a walk through the basics of real estate investing. To begin with, we have different types of properties. Residential properties like single-family homes and apartment buildings are where people live. Commercial properties, on the other hand, are places where businesses operate. This could be office buildings, retail stores, or even warehouses. Then there are industrial properties, which include factories and plants, and special-purpose properties that are specifically designed for a certain use, like a hospital or a school. Now, how you choose to invest in these properties is your call. You could flip properties, which involves buying a property, renovating it, and then selling it for a profit. Or, you could rent out properties, where you become a landlord and earn regular income from tenants. There's also the option of investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which are companies that own income-producing real estate. You buy shares in the REIT much like you would with a stock and earn dividends. Key to understanding real estate investing are terms like ROI, cash flow, and appreciation. ROI, or return on investment, is the profit you make from an investment relative to its cost. Cash flow is the net income from a property after all expenses have been deducted. And appreciation, well, that's the increase in the property's value over time. Now, let's not forget, in real estate investing, it's not just about buying and selling. It's about understanding the market, making informed decisions, and leveraging your investment to generate wealth. It's about knowing when to hold on to a property and when to let it go. It's about balancing risk and reward, and making the most out of every opportunity. But remember, as with any investment, there's always a risk. The key is to manage that risk effectively and use it to your advantage. And that's where understanding the basics of real estate investing comes in. Mastering these basics paves the way for successful investing. Understanding the current housing market trends is key to making wise investment decisions. So, let's dive right in. Right now, we're seeing a bit of a roller coaster ride in the housing markets. Some areas are experiencing a seller's market, with demand outpacing supply, pushing prices up. Others are in a buyer's market, where supply outstrips demand and prices are more negotiable. But what's behind these trends? Three main factors are at play here. First, the overall economy. When the economy is robust, people have more money to invest, which can drive up housing prices. Second, interest rates. Low interest rates make it cheaper to borrow money, leading to increased demand for houses. And third, demographic shifts. For instance, as more millennials enter the home buying market, we're seeing increased demand for certain types of properties. Interpreting these trends for investment decisions can be a bit like reading tea leaves. But here's a tip: look for areas where the economy is strong but housing prices are still reasonable. These could be up-and-coming neighborhoods or cities experiencing a revival. Also consider the type of property. Single-family homes, multifamily homes, and commercial properties each have their own trends. For instance, with the rise of remote work, demand for homes with office spaces has increased. Staying abreast of market trends gives you an edge in real estate investing. So, keep your ear to the ground, your eye on the data, and your mind open to opportunities. Many myths about real estate investing hold people back. Time to debunk them. Let's start with one of the biggest misconceptions out there: the belief that you need to be swimming in cash to even think about investing in real estate. Not true. While having a sizable amount of capital can certainly help, it's not a prerequisite. There are creative financing options available, such as leveraging other assets, partnering with others, or even crowdfunding. The key is to do your homework and figure out which method works best for you. Now let's tackle another myth, that real estate investing is a quick and easy way to get rich. This is a dangerous misconception, and here's why. Real estate investing requires time, effort, and patience. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term commitment that involves careful planning, diligent research, and strategic decision-making. It's about building wealth over time, not overnight. Another common myth is that you need to be a real estate expert to succeed. Again, not true. While knowledge is certainly power, you don't need a PhD in real estate to start investing. There are countless resources available to help you learn the ropes, from books and online courses to mentors and networking groups. The most successful investors are those who are willing to learn and adapt, not necessarily those with the most knowledge. And finally, let's dispel the myth that real estate investment is too risky. All investments carry some degree of risk, and real estate is no exception. However, with proper due diligence and risk management strategies, you can mitigate many of these risks. Plus, real estate is often considered a safe haven investment, as it tends to hold its value over time and provide a steady cash flow. So, there you have it. 4 big real estate myths, thoroughly debunked. Remember, the barriers to entry in real estate investing are often more perceived than real. Don't let these misconceptions hold you back. With these myths debunked, you're already ahead of many aspiring investors. What better way to learn than from those who have already succeeded? Let's dive into some real-life success stories of individuals who have paved their way to wealth through real estate investing. Take Samantha, for example. She started with a single modest property in a quiet neighborhood. Her strategy was simple: buy, hold, and rent. With time, patience, and a knack for choosing the right properties, she was able to grow her portfolio to over 20 properties, all generating a steady stream of rental income. Then there's Michael, a daring investor who took the path less traveled. He ventured into the world of house flipping. By buying properties in need of a little TLC and transforming them into dream homes, he was able to sell them for a significant profit. His success lies in his ability to see potential where others couldn't. And let's not forget about Lisa and Raj, a power couple who found success in commercial real estate. They invested in a rundown strip mall, revamped it, and turned it into a bustling hub of businesses. Their secret? A keen eye for location and a deep understanding of the commercial market. These stories are not anomalies. They represent the potential of real estate investing when armed with the right strategies, patience, and a dash of courage. Each one of these individuals had a different approach, yet they all found their path to wealth in the real estate market. These success stories prove that with the right strategies and dedication, anyone can succeed in real estate investing. Now that you're armed with knowledge, it's your turn to make your mark in real estate investing. You've learned the basics, understood the current trends, dispelled the myths, and heard inspiring success stories. Now, it's time to put all these pieces together and chart your own path to riches. Remember, real estate investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, strategy, and a keen eye for opportunities. Start by understanding your financial capacity. What can you invest today? What resources will you need to meet your goals? Next, identify your market. Do you want to invest in residential or commercial properties? Which neighborhoods have potential for growth? Research is your best friend here. Then get your hands dirty. Visit properties, talk to brokers, engage with other investors. The more you immerse yourself in the field, the better you'll understand it. Don't forget to keep an eye on market trends. The housing market is a living, breathing organism that changes with time. Stay informed and adjust your strategies accordingly. And finally, don't be afraid to learn from your mistakes. Every misstep is a stepping stone to success. Now go out there and make a name for yourself in the world of real estate investing. Let your hard work, patience, and strategic investments pave your path to riches. Remember, the path to riches in real estate investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Start running.